What is up, Karol here with Themeisle. What I want to show you today is how to add a contact form to WordPress in basically 2 minutes. And I'm not going to be using any of the classic contact form plugins or any of those other huge form plugins that try to convince you that you need 1,000 things to all happen in your contact forms. All I want is just a simple contact form that's gonna send me an email whenever someone's trying to reach me through my website. Seems simple, right? So yeah, just a standard WordPress website. I already created a contact page. Actually, I imported it through the Neve theme that this website is using, and the contact page is basically ready, but the only thing it's missing is some form of a contact form. So yeah, let's get it now. And we're gonna get it through a plugin called Otter Blocks. So it is an extension plugin for the block editor. It comes with a ton of interesting and useful blocks, and among them, you're gonna find a simple contact form block. So pretty easy to get started with. All you do is just go into plugins, add new, Otter Blocks. Yeah, it is this one, the first one on the list. Just install, activate. As you can see, I already have it active. So all I need to do is just go to my page and let me find this spot where I want to put my contact form. I think it's gonna be in here. So I already have some columns in this layout, and the second column is where I want to put the form. So how to get it? This is pretty simple. So basically just go into the Otter section, find form, which is not too difficult to find, and just drag and drop it to wherever you want. By default, Otter Blocks comes with two pre-designed forms, so a contact form and a subscribe form, you know, in case if you run any newsletter or something like that. So let me go with contact form, and just like that, the form has been included. However, I'm kind of unlucky because my design is more of a dark theme, so I need to customize this form to present itself a bit better. But that's great because it actually allows me to show you what this simple form can do. Let me go directly into style. For starters, let me maybe just change the input background. Yeah, much better, much more visible. Then let's go for input text. I think this is gonna need to be a bit darker maybe. And then finally the button. I'm gonna use some of the theme styling for the text as well, a bit darker maybe. Yeah, seems to work. Okay, and just like that, you can see the form. So yeah, let's go back to settings. And there are a couple of things you can set in the form. By default, the form is gonna come with some obvious elements in it. For example, the name, the email, and the message that someone wants to send you. But of course, you can add other things if you want to. Maybe you want to ask for the person's phone number or something. This of course depends on what you need the form to do. For me, I think that the native set is good enough. Then there's also an extra paragraph in here that kind of defines the rules of what's going on. Again, let me make it a bit lighter this time so you can see it. And this basically just says that the person agrees to receive communication. So if you need this paragraph or not, this is up to you. I'm gonna remove it just for the demo purpose, and I'm gonna come back to the settings. And in the settings, this is pretty simple. So by default, whenever someone fills out this form, the message is gonna get sent directly to the admin of this website. If that's okay, if you use the same email for managing this website as you do for communicating with your visitors, then that is okay. If not, then you can just enter the email that you want to use for this. Then you can also customize the subject however you want to make it a bit clearer for you that, you know, this is coming from the website. So you might say something like, new contact from Karol's site, or whatever you want. Then save location. What this means is what's gonna happen with this message. If you use the free version of Otter Blocks, then Otter is gonna send this message to your email. However, if you enable Otter Pro, then you can also store those messages on the server. Then if you want to, you can also enable marketing integration, which means that you can basically send this contact to some solution like Brevo or MailChimp. All you need is an API key and you can connect it straight to your email communication delivery service. Okay, so we have that. So we can go back to the style tab, and as you've seen briefly in the style tab, we can do lots of things. We can tune up every little detail about this form, including the colors of various elements, including the button. We can change the padding, the alignment of the button. We can tweak the labels, the size of the input fields and the padding between them. if you think this is needed, of course. Then we can tune up the borders, and of course we can customize the success and failure messages. Yeah, and I don't think I actually showed this, so of course you can change the text that's appearing here as well. So all you do is just go back into settings, and in the settings just go into submit messages, and here they are. So with that, basically we've created a form, we changed some details about it, and if I go to my page right now, I'm gonna see the form here ready. It is working. I can send an email to myself, to my admin account, and everyone else who comes to this website is gonna be able to do the same. Yeah, so that is it. That is how you add a simple contact form to your website, to the block editor, using our plugin Otter Blocks. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe. There's a lot more content coming up, and see you next time.